Have you ever wanted to work from home and make a great income? It's now possible. In this video, I'll show you how to make $5,000 and more a month with just a few hours of work. These part-time jobs will allow you to work from home and get paid in cash. You'll be able to generate your own schedule, spend time with your family, and earn more than $5,000 a month. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Part-time jobs are the perfect opportunity for people who want to stay engaged in their careers without committing to full-time hours. A part-time job is a great way to earn some extra cash while still being able to spend time with your family and pursue other interests. What should you be looking for? If you want to find the best part-time job, it's important that you consider what your goals are and what type of work environment suits you best. Here are 3 of the most profitable jobs that will help you make $5,000 and more a month. You don't need to be an expert or have any special skills. 1. Flip on Craigslist. You have probably heard of the website Craigslist. However, you may not be aware that you can earn a living selling old and repaired goods on this platform. The good news is that you can work this around your current schedule as a side job at night or on the weekend, and still make a respectable living wage. You may easily make a fortune by purchasing products at low costs on Craigslist, fixing them up, and selling them on for a profit. I know some people earn more than $5,000 each month by selling things on Craigslist. 2. Night babysitting job. Do you think daytime babysitting only works? It'll shock you. Night babysitters earn more. Night babysitters care for children whose parents work nights. You would cook meals, aid kids with homework, and do other nighttime tasks. Babysitting may earn you $50,000 per year. You might visit KidSit, Care, or Sitter City if this job interests you. 3. User testing job. User testers are paid to evaluate the usability of yet-to-be-completed apps and websites. User testers may expect to earn anything from $10 per hour to $90 per test. And it's a simple task. You'll need a computer, a microphone, and an earphone to do this work. When looking for a company to work for in the field of user experience testing, consider the following platforms: Userlytics, User Testing, Udist, and Userfeel. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and comment saying, I like it. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.